pizza that we're making today is pizza the way Johnny likes it. Sometimes low sodium folks have to do a little bit of preparation in order to get things on the table. There are 2 videos on this channel that will help you get ready. The first one is low sodium pizza sauce. The next one is low sodium Italian sausage medium spicy recipe. I freeze my sausage in 4-ounce patties. It seems like it works best for us. And I freeze my pizza sauce in a 1/2 cup packages, freezer bags. Then I'm ready to make pizza. We need a crust. My sifter has 1 cup of all-purpose flour and 2 teaspoons Hain Featherweight 0 sodium baking powder, ordered from Healthy Heart Market or Amazon. To that goes 1 cup of Fage, F-A-G-E, total 5% milk fat Greek yogurt. 80 milligrams, but it makes a great crust. Mix that together, and then I'm going to knead it until it gets to be a nice dough. It took about 5 minutes of kneading for the dough to get all the flour in it, and it's kind of elastic. Whoops, like that. My pan is 12-inch round. Pat this down inside that pan, put this pizza together. I've never filmed cooking this late in the day, and it was overcast. My hair, my purple shirt, and my red bowl are going to look green from now on. My red pizza sauce, the red peppers, are going to look black. The pizza is going to look burned. None of that's true. It was wonderful. I'd show you a picture of it, but we had it for lunch. Keep watching the last few minutes to find out how much sodium's in our whole pizza, how much is in there per slice, and what you can do with your pizza. This morning I thawed out my pizza sauce. About 1/2 cup seems to be the way it's perfect for us. Just perfect. Gives it a lot of nice flavor. If you like more sauce, you can put more. It's got a wonderful flavor to it. Much better than the store-bought is. Really works good for us. Put that on there. Then we're going to add 1/8 of an onion, sliced thin. 1/8 of an onion. And because Johnny likes them, there's 5 ripe olives in here that are the low sodium one. There's 40 milligrams in here, but makes him happy. 4 ounces of pineapple tidbits. 1/4 cup of peppers, red and green. It's looking good. 2 ounces of sliced mushrooms. They just don't have much sodium at all. I think it's 30 for 8 ounces. You have a lot of goodies in here. And out of my freezer, I took a 1/4 pound patty of our sausage, cooked it, and crumbled it. I used 56 grams of mozzarella cheese. That's a high item, 360 milligrams. Our pizza's going in the oven. Oven is preheated to 450 degrees. And this pizza is perfect. Forgot to tell you, I sprayed the pan with a little bit of non-stick. Our whole pizza has 608 milligrams of sodium. 8 slices, 76 milligrams each. If you use a rectangle cookie sheet, you can form it and have a lot of appetizers. If you like what you see, please subscribe to my channel. Every Friday there'll be a new low sodium recipe for you. You can use chicken instead of sausage. Put spinach. If you don't like olives, don't put them on there. Put what you like. The red and the peppers make it look real pretty. My dinner's done.